There's no difference. And more is okay. I don't want to just feel under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary. It's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head, yeah. I'm just feeling lazy, just be honest, baby. We got different phases, give it all, take it all. I'm just feeling lazy, just be honest, baby. We got different phases, give it all, take it all.
Good morning. So yung first stop namin would be here at Lucky Chinatown Mall. I just made some ATM withdrawal because I don't have any cash with me and I don't really expect a lot of cashless transactions here. So before we move to the main part of Binondo or Chinatown, we're gonna check if there are some things here that they want to check or buy. So yeah, see you later. So, wala naman nakita here. We're just gonna go to the first destination there, which I think would be Dongbei. So, yung mga kuchay na dumpling nila. Kuchay. We got kuchay. Siya yung steamed na pork with kuchay sa loob. So,
What's this?
para siyang chives tsaka pork sa loob. If you want yung hindi maanghang, here sa side na to.
We're gonna try the kuchay, guys. Look how good that is. Ito, pag namamasyal, small amount lang yung kinakain.
Kaya
Oh!
kung one each na.
Ito
Ito kasi, ito talaga yung service.
so good.
Next would be sa Eng Bitin, or as they pronounced it, or I heard in another vlog, Eng Bitin. Tatry sana namin sa Chunky, pero maybe we'll buy from here first, tapos taste the food habang nakapila. Sige, kuha na lang tayo. Isang honey roasted na ube pao, isang kutsaya. Pero ang sabi, hindi naman daw masyadong lasa yung ube. Lasa naman yung ube.
Taking this over.
Very slight. Matamis siya na...
Can taste the ube.
Hindi nga. Hindi masyado. Matamis yung meat.
Yeah, like asado.
Mm.
A little bit spicy. Little bit spicy. Like asado. Yeah, it's a bit spicy.
Kutsaya? So parang siyang yung kanina siguro, pero nasa puff pastry. Sarap siya.
Crunchy.
So we're here lined up at Chunky. It's one of the oldest fast foods here in Binondo, and I've passed by here so many times pero I haven't been inside yet kasi ang haba usually ng pila, and I think now since it's a weekday and there's a lot of preparations going for Translation, there's only a few people in line, so I'm gonna try it here. Siguro what we're gonna try would be the oyster cake and then maybe some of their dim sum tsaka yung mga noodles or yung mga soup nila. I'm also gonna look online muna kung ano yung mga pinaka best seller nila.
Shrimp ha?
So oyster pancake, xiaolongbao, hakaw, makimi, steamed chicken, may water naman, diba? Okay na. Later na tayo mag-drink. Oyster. Ito, xiaolongbao. Pero dito na kami ano eh, yung parang spoon. So, gulatan na lang to pag ano, pag nakain na. Good shade. Sarap ng xiaolongbao. Sarap. Sarap. We're here at Engbitin. Bibili lang ng pasalubong, I guess. And for me, yun lang pasalubong. Also some snacks that I can have at home. So there's a lot here that you don't find sa mga mall. And let's see kung anong makakain ko. But I'm just gonna buy. Pero hindi ko siya kakainin here. as a break from food. Pasok daw muna kami sa church. So we're gonna go to the Minor Basilica of San Lorenzo, or yung tinatawag na Binondo Church. It's the first thing you see when you enter the area. The sugarcane juice from Wongke, and it's good. It tastes like sugar. The last time I had sugarcane juice was in Singapore, and comparable naman yung lasa niya. It's 100 pesos per cup.
Ganyan talaga, buti nga hindi mo nang ninangat-ngat eh.
Inangat na.
Iba naman yun ma. Dati-dati pa yun. Nung 80s pa yun.
Kaya nga, but you have to try that.
You like it? Okay na.
Lalo siguro pag ang lamig-lamig.
Oo, parang kulang, hindi naman kulang sa ice. Parang,
Hindi pa na ano kasi.
oo, kalalagay lang. Diretso lang, diretso. It's fried kasi yung ilalim niya pinadaan din sa fry, sa oil. Pero ano, buti nga ngayon yung pila niya ilan lang, 'di ba? Parang there were only 2 in front of us. Before we waited for about an hour nung Chinese New Year. Bread lang yan eh.
Well,
Parang Shaolong Bao.
Oo nga, oo nga. Para siyang malaking dim sum.
Or we go back there for
So we bought yung anong tawag dito? Bicho Bicho. Bicho Bicho from Oichekun. Tsaka yung buchi. Very big buchi. Ay, hindi makita. Wait. Very big buchi. This has its original stall near yung ano eh. Shanghai fried siopao, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Sarap. Maano siya, marami siyang milk. Try ko yung buchi. Thanks, ma. Buchi. can't remember yung last time nakain ko nito. Maybe a few years na rin. Iba pa ata yung name niya nun eh. I think it was New Po Heng at the time. Now it's called Po Heng Lumpia. Ayun. Sarap. As always. Want to try, ma?